All right, welcome to episode 8 of Adventures in Old Code. Today we're going to take a look at Stock Simulator version 1.2, see what's changed, what new exciting capabilities the program has to offer. All right, Stock Simulator, the version 1.2. This is still October 1998. And we'll run it. We'll see what happens. We get sound now. Okay. Of course, this is where we hope the emulator will emulate the sound properly. That little ditty, I actually composed that myself. Great, so we get to talk about QBASIC sound in this episode. Perfect. First off, though, whoa. You know what? I think before we do this, yeah. Issue is I don't want to get back into that never-ending loop and that we can't get out of. So I'm sure this is pretty similar. There's a lot of other stuff going on. Hey, okay, there's already a do loop until in key string equals 27. Clearly, I have no idea. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, let's play it. So I don't need to insert my hack. Okay, sound on. Yes, of course. That was awesome. Stock Simulator version 1.2, a simulation by Joey A. Davis. Copyright 1998. Press any key to continue. This is where I start to take Stock Simulator and use it as an outlet for the anger that was inside me as a 16-year-old. Not that I had tons of anger inside me, but clearly, I mean, as you read this, I'll read it through, but yeah, clearly I was having fun, not with just the code anymore, but the messages as well. Well, after much demand, I am proud to present to you the Stock Simulator 1.2. I am glad you are using this program, since I have become a celebrity known all over the world. Anyway, you can now sell your stocks and buy into another one. All you do is when you're ready to sell, press escape and your total will be calculated. Type S to sell and you're on your way to buying another stock. Ingenious, eh? If you like this program, please send me $500 because you could never dream up such a concept and would like to worship me. I am at Joey Davis, 17261 Edgeland Boulevard. Okay, that was... Okay, I don't live there anymore, so if you want to hurl bricks there, you're going to do it at a stranger's house and annoy them. So don't set fire to that house because I don't live there anymore. I guess I won't tell anyone where I live now. Okay, press any key to continue. You now can choose one of the following 6 stocks. Okay, I have not changed the names of any of these stocks. Again, we're still using the core of the code that I wrote for version 1.0. So just 1 second. I want to make sure I'm actually recording. Yes, I am. Okay, which stock? I've always gone with dance techno music because the others offend me. Okay, you have $100. How much of this stock do you want? I'm guessing how much money I want to invest. Let's invest $31 because that's an awesome number. Okay, so I guess what I'm looking at Clearly, the screen hasn't changed much except the logo. The logo looks blue, so that's exciting. Well, it looks like my dance techno music's doing pretty well. So apparently I need to press escape. Only if you picked crack did you come out on top. Okay. You've invested $31 in dance techno music. Dance techno music ended up at a value of 210. You now have six. Oh, I guess I have $65 from the initial $31 investment. I've gained $34.10. But I originally had 100, so hopefully this will add. I should have $134.10 now. Sell. You can now choose one of the following 6 stocks. Oh, I see. Now I'm not sure. In Stock Ticker, you invest in a. There is no negative. The Stock Simulator goes negative. Stock Ticker didn't. I'm not sure how I'm going to calculate the value. Like if I choose to invest $100 in cigarettes now, I should get infinite stocks for free. But in an effort to not destroy the program, let's go to Duff Beer. So you have $134.10. How much of this stock do you want? Well, let's put it all in, baby. Let's see what happens. Excellent. Okay, let's. Oh, only if you pick dance techno music. Well, I'm in Duff Beer now, folks. Okay, I invested in 134. Duff Beer ended up at a value of 245. I'm not sure if I'm doing that properly because I don't know what it started out as. Oh well, apparently I gained $194.45. I'm going to sell one more time and choose to invest in one that is negative and see what happens. So I'm going to invest, oh my word, forged paintings. I guess I'm going to become an art thief. Okay, I'm going to invest $300 into forged paintings, which are currently negative. They're still negative. I'm not sure how I calculated that. The forged paintings ended up at a value of minus 545%. I'm not sure where the percent sign comes from. You now have busted. Go away, you loser head. Okay, perfect. You can now choose one of the following. Oh, because I only invested. I didn't invest all of my money. I can choose Duff Beer. Aha, I still have $28. So let's invest it all into beer. Can I not do decimal values? 28.50. You know what? I probably have something like 0.548 cents, and I tried to do 0.55. So Duff Beer was at 5, and I invested a whack load. Well, my $28. And whoa, ended up at a value of 40. You now have $11. I'm not sure how that works. You know what? The math is sketchy on this one. I'm not sure. Wasn't it at a value of 5 before when I invested all my money? Well, it doesn't matter. We'll quit. We'll quit. We'll find. Goodbye, you ungrateful dog. Oh no, press the keys. I don't have to look at you. Press the key to continue. And file not found because we're running this thing. I'm going to comment this out. Okay, well, let's peruse this code. That was fun. Oh, that's okay. Stock Simulator 1.2. These all look similar, except we have 2 new subroutines, champ and sound dot. Perfect. dim shared. These are all the same except pause one has now been capitalized, but variable names are not case sensitive in QBASIC. Okay, that was all the same as last time. Okay, so I've added money, noise, and H. Fantastic. I know what money probably means. I know what noise probably means. No clue in the world what H means. I guess we'll find out. Okay, random number generator. Everything's the same. I start out, okay, money. Like I thought, money is the amount of money you start with. Okay. Then I run sound dot. And of course, like everything thus far, it's called sound dot because sound is a keyword. I think. Why is it? Yep, it is a keyword. Okay, so input, sound on, yes or no, put that into noise. Noise equals UCase string noise. All right, so I'm taking a single character and I'm making it uppercase, and that's all I'm doing. Okay, perfect, good to know. Start. Start. Ooh, look, see, I've done something different. There is supposed to be a pause between these things, and I thought it was a good idea. In previous versions, there was a break between the stock showing up and the simulator showing up. It's been pretty fast, though. We haven't been able to recognize the pause. So if I go and I update all of these to be 100 times, they're perfect. Okay, awesome. Okay, now let's play it. Sound on, yes. Ooh. Stock. Right on. Okay. I guess I have to invest some money in order to kill this program. Okay. Quit. Press any key. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. I know that you think I'm an ungrateful dog. Oh my goodness. Press a key so I don't have to look at you. Press any key to continue. Press any key to continue. Awesome. Okay, so I do all this stuff. Apparently for code equals 9 to 12. I'm going to loop through colors 9 to 12. That's what we saw. If code is not equal to 12, then wait. So this basically says start with color 9, animate the stock line by line, doing a little pause. If I'm not at the last color, then wait a little bit, and then clear the screen, then go to the next color. Do that from 9 to 12. Now, if it is the last color, then don't wait. Instead, do this wait, and then print out simulator. Wait, change the color, press any key to continue, and then if noise, now here we go, if noise equals capital Y. So again, I uppercased the Y. See, I made whatever you sent me, I uppercased it so I wouldn't have to check both. Where am I? Logo? Nope. Come on. People scream it out at me. Start. Start. Of course. If I didn't capitalize it, I would have had to check for a lowercase y here as well. So anyway, then play. Now this is wonderful. This is the play command in QBASIC, and you might think, what in the world, heck kind of thing is that? So you actually give it a string, And these are actual notes on the scale. This is an E. The 8 means it's an eighth note. The 4 means it's a quarter note. The 2 means it's a half note, and so on. Now, there's also less than and greater than signs. I believe this changes the octave. Let's have a look. I didn't do any changes that I care about. Okay, so if I say play C8, 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 move up and do C8, C8, C8. And that's what you did. That's really nice and simple. I had fun with the sound capabilities of QBASIC. Hopefully that music comes through my microphone. I'll try and make it better if it doesn't. Okay, so we've done that. We've seen our lovely start. Instructions is basically just different text. Not much to see there. Stock pick. This is... Okay, this is a little different. I list the stocks and then here I use the H. Now, okay, not only is the name ambiguous and confusing, but my use of it is confusing. If H equals 1, where in the world did I set H? When you set a single, pretty sure it defaults to 0. This is hilarious. Okay. You know what? I'll bet somewhere down here. Okay. You know what? We're just going to have to figure that at some point H is going to be turned into 1. But right now it's 0, so we don't do all these locate and print the value. Okay, that's why. So if H was 1, then we're going to print out all of the values of all the stocks right beside the name. And that's after you sell, you get a chance to buy back into another stock. And if this H is 1, which it's clearly not yet because we haven't used it, then it's not going to print the values. Otherwise, it would just be 100s. So why do we want to show that? Okay, input. Which stock do you think would be better? So I have a do loop until. Okay, so stock amount is the amount of money you want to invest. And money is, of course, the amount of money you have. Now I'm putting this in a loop because if you say I want to invest $100 and all you have is 50, well, you shouldn't be allowed to do that. And so that's why I'm looping this. Continue to clear the screen, print the message, and ask for input until the stock amount is less than or equal to the money you had that you currently have. And then take that money away. That's what the next line is. And there it is. There's the H equals 1. So this is clearly a flag. If this is the first time you've seen this screen, H is going to be 0. Once you see it once, it's set to 1. And it'll forever be 1. Okay, that's interesting. So we're clearing the screen. We're showing the computer, which I don't think has changed. Okay. Logo. Now logo did change. I think we're using color 9 now. Color 9 is the color of version 1.2 apparently. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, this all looks normal like the other stock simulators. I'm using the same core code. I'm looping until I press the escape button, and I get to press the escape button because I can sell stocks. If I press the escape button, clear the screen, I'm not sure why I locate 1-1 and then locate 2240. That just seems redundant. Well, not redundant, but the 1-1, yes, is redundant. That's the right word. Okay, winner. Winner. Again, it does this same kind of stuff. I felt like I didn't want to make this look better for version 1.2. That's all right. Okay. So that displays the winner message. Press any key to continue. Then we run amount. Huh? Okay, I didn't mean to. Oh, I hit F5 instead of F2. Okay, let's try with the sound off. There we go. It doesn't do anything. Okay. Let's quit this. Quit. Come on. Sorry, folks. I'm trying to quit. Clearly, I just looked for a single Q, and I think I accidentally typed in 2 that time. Okay, that's that. Okay, yes, indeed. We want to look into the amount. Yeah, okay, amount. If stock equals 1, this is the same as version 1.1. I'm assigning variables, the name of the stock and the position that it ended up at. Shows you, displays your beautiful numbers. Yeah, this was that if statement that shouldn't have been an if statement. Look at it, it's the exact same. There's an extra space there, but otherwise it's exactly the same. But you know what's curious? This is an if it's less than 0. Otherwise, so if it's at 0, yeah, okay, it'll do the second one. So I was thinking it would skip it, but no. If it's 0, it'll fall through to the else. Okay, whatever. You don't want to hear the ramblings in my brain. Print, you now have. This is all the same as version 1.1, so I'm not going to go through it. It shows you how much you lost. Now this would be different. Input, sell or quit. Stick that into SQ string, sell quit. SQ string equals UK, so uppercase what you do, what you've inputted. If you are going to sell, then exit sub. This is a command that exits the subroutine right now. So whatever comes after, we're not going to worry about. In today's computer language and more real languages, this is the return statement. Exit sub. Okay, otherwise you busted, go away you loser head. We still have the same people skill issues we had last time. Okay, press a key. Now if you don't have any money left, oh, look at this. This is what happens. Well, you have no money. You are not a very good fake stock market player. Get out of my site, press a key to quit, like you have a choice. Wow. If I've decided to quit, then I say, well, fine, goodbye, you ungrateful dog. Okay. Okay, now keep doing this. Keep looping until I chose to quit or my money is greater than apparently $10 million. Once you do $10 million, then you win. I wonder what happens when I do win $10 million. Let's find out. Let's give myself 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. Let's give myself $5 million to start out with. Yes, let's do the sound. You gotta wait till it plays. And then you can go. Okay, Let Dance Techno Music. $50 million. $55 and quit. Only if you pick Dance Techno. Hey, man, out of all 6 stocks, that Dance Techno Music wins more often than not. Okay. I'll say quit. Press a key. Well, fine. Press any key to continue. Wasn't that supposed to do something else? Huh. Apparently that subroutine isn't hit. If money is greater than 1, 2, 3, 10 million. It's supposed to do this. This champ, what is? Wow, $10 million. You've increased 1,000,000%. You are the ultimate in the stock simulator. Now you are ready to go out into the world and play the real stock market. Okay, I wish I could have gotten that message to display. Let's work out what happened. I decided to quit. Meh, I don't know. I don't know why. Oh. Because here my amount, wait a second. First I choose this first, and then I end the program. Well, that's silly. So the way this code is set up, I can't even get to... Oh, well, no. The way this code is set up, I guess if it ends, how would it end? You choose when it ends by typing Q. If you typed Q, this subroutine kicks you out of the program. This champ will never run. Okay, all we can do is look at it. So there it is. Okay, continuing on. Clearly there was no quality assurance in this program at all. Okay, if you did not beat the bank and take home all the money in the world, then just press any key to continue, press any key to continue, keep looping, and then run that silly little program. So that's it. Okay, that's Stock Simulator version 1.2. Oh, this was a long episode. Hopefully you enjoyed it, though. I did. So yes, have a nice day, and we'll see you next time for more adventures in old code.